How to delete all unread emails in Gmail at once, even if you have thousands of them. Let's get started. First, open Gmail on your computer. Now, click the search bar at the top and type is:"unread. Then press enter. Gmail will instantly show you all the unread emails in your account. Next, click the select checkbox above the email list. This will select the messages displayed on the current page. If Gmail shows an option saying select all conversations that match this search, click it. This is important because it selects all unread emails, not just the messages on the first page. Now, click the trash icon at the top. Gmail may ask you to confirm that you want to delete the selected messages. Click OK or confirm the deletion. And that's it. All of the unread emails matching your search will be moved to the trash. If you want to permanently remove them and free up Gmail storage, open Trash from the left side menu and choose Empty Trash Now. Just remember, emails permanently deleted from trash can't be recovered. That's how you can quickly clean up thousands of unread emails in Gmail. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more useful Gmail tips and easy how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.